In this video, I'll guide you through the process of canceling your subscription on Bilibili. Let's get started. First, open the Bilibili app on your device and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon. Next, go to Settings, which you can find by tapping on the gear icon. In the Settings menu, look for Subscription Management or VIP Membership and select it. Here, you'll see your active subscriptions. Tap on the subscription you want to cancel. Finally, tap on Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. Remember, your subscription will remain active until the end of the billing period. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Bilibili subscription.